I'm sorry, this baby is not even here and she's already getting PR. Who is she? In all seriousness, I'm really happy because I really wanted this. It's a baby carrier from Chekoh. And they wrote me the sweetest letter. It says, "Hi Maria, we hope you love your new carrier and all the hands-free cuddles that comes with it. Love, Chekoh." It comes in the cutest little reusable bag. It's going to be perfect for like beach things for the baby. It's this stunning denim-like, it's not denim, but it looks like denim. I already know I'm going to wear this so much. And I love that denim just matches all your outfits. This is how it looks. Just imagine there's a baby here. So cute. It also has like a little pocket here if you want to put your phone. I think your phone fits. And like keys and stuff. So you can be hands-free. They also sent me a little swaddle. 97% bamboo and 3% spandex. This is so soft. I want to wear this. I still don't know how you swaddle a baby. I have to learn. Once the baby gets here, I think I can give you guys a proper review on this. And thank you, Chekoh, because this is absolutely so thoughtful of you. You didn't have to, but I love it.